Good day, everyone. In this video, we will be talking about the graph data structure. So like the trees, graphs are also nonlinear data structures. But they may have a slight difference in terms of the number of childs or the parents of a node. But similarly, our graph data structures will be connected through nodes. Okay, so the learning objectives for this topic is first to define the graph data structure, and then we represent our data structure using an adjacency list or an adjacency matrix. So this is an example of a graph. A graph is a collection of nodes that have data and are connected to other nodes. So in our tree data structure, we remember that they may have parents and child, but in this case, our graph consist of nodes that are connected with each other without specifying which is the parent or the child, as long as they are connected by a line. So example, we have here in application with the social networking sites, and our account may be connected with pages. So it may also be connected with the photos that we upload or we are tagged in, or with the events, or with other people, other accounts, or maybe our account may be connected with FB groups. Okay, so the social networking sites like Facebook are stored in a graph data structure. Okay, so here are the components of a graph data structure. We have the collection of vertices V, the collection of edges E, which is represented as ordered pairs of vertices. They can be represented as UV. Okay, so example here, we have this graph here. So the vertices or the set of vertices are 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, kani siyang mga naka-violet, these are the vertices. Now, the edges are represented by lines, so we write them as ordered pairs. So, pairs of vertices that are connected with each other. Example here is 0, which is connected to 1. Okay? 0 to 1. And then 0 to 2. Kani siya 0 to 2. And then 0 to 3. Kani siya. And then 1 to 2, which is this. 1 to 2. Okay? Since 3 and 2 are not connected, hence wala tay ordered pair diri nga 3, 2. Ana. Okay? And we represent the graph as VE. So V, which is this, and E, which are the edges. Okay? So let's have another example here. Okay? So this one is an undirected graph. Why? Because it has no directions. Wala siya arrow asa mo dong ang edge. So that means if wala gani arrow, that is expected nga si kaning 10 padung ni 2 is just the same as 2 padung ni 10. Okay? So they are it is written as just one nga edge. Pero ang pasabot day ana kay daghan na sila. Okay? So let's write this in a word. Okay. We create a new file. Sige. So, our undirected graph, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ka mga vertices. Okay, we write the vertices as ito ibutang ana no, V equals ten, 2, 6, 7, 3, 4, 1, and 8. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we have 8 vertices. And then we write the edges as ordered pairs. So the set of ordered pairs ni siya. So we have 10, 2. This is just the same as 2, 10. Pwede ninyo isuwat ang 2, 10 o niya wala na ang 10, 2. The same lang na sila in an undirected na graph. Meaning walay direction na graph. And then sa pailain 10, 6. Okay. O niya 2, 7. 2, 7. And then 6, 3. 6, 4. 3, 4. And then 4, 8, 4, 1. Napadi ay 3. Wala na. 3, 4, 4, 1. And then 4, 8. Okay na. Sige. So, we check if maora ba ang number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 edges. Okay, so this is our graph nga nakaset. So, G equals V, E. So, atong V, mao ni siya ang vertices, E, mao ni siya ang edges. Okay? We write that undirected graph as this one. Okay? So, adjacency, meaning is the term for a vertex which is connected by an edge with other vertex. So, meaning si 0 is adjacent with 1 because it is connected by an edge. Si 0 ug 1, 0 ug 2, 0 ug 3. 2 and 0 adjacent sila. 1 and 2, 1 and 0. 3 and 0 are adjacent. Okay? So, si 3 and 2, dili na sila adjacent because there is no edge that connect them. When we say a path is exist between two vertices, meaning we can go from this vertex to another vertex using the edges that connect them. So, kung moingon ta ani example no, si 2 does it have a path with 3? So, yes, because we can go from 2 to 0 and then to 3. Okay? But dili sila adjacent ni 3. Okay? Another. Do we have a path from 3 to 1? Yes. From 3 to 0 to 1, or we can go from 3 to 0 to 2 and then 1. Meaning naabay agianan, agikan ana nga vertex to the other vertex. Okay? So that's with path. When we say directed graph, okay, so a graph in which an edge doesn't necessarily mean that ang bali niya nga edge mo na sila. So UV is different from VU. Unlike this nga sa undirected graph ang 0, 2, okay, so unlike sa undirected graph nga ang 0, 2 ani is just the same as 2, 0. Okay? Okay, so in a directed graph, naana siya gitawag og arrows to show the direction of the edge. Okay, so we'll have another example. So kani siya undirected graph ni siya, no? Kani akong gipakita karon undirected graph. So let's have a directed graph here. Kana siya. So this one is a directed graph. Okay. So try to look at the example here. Si 8. Arita mag-start ni 8. Arita mag-start ni 8, no? So ato isuwat ang atong vertices. 8, 6, 20, 15, 22, 3, 10, and 16. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now, let's write the edges. Para makita na to sa difference nila. Okay. So, let's start with 8. So, 8 to 6. Okay. So, we write the first vertex padung sa arrow. So, 6. Karon, si 6 to 20. Then, 6 to 15. Since ang 6 to 15 na ay duha ka arrow na ipabalik, so the 15 to 6 nga edge is different. Isuwat ni mong apil. Okay, and then we also have 20 to 15. Dili na to isuwat ha ang 20 to 6 since wala siya arrow diri Okay, wala man na siya arrow. So 6 to 20 ra na, then 20 to 15. And then from 15 we go to 3. And since ang 3 na ay pabalik sa 15, we write another edge here. So, mo na difference sa ato ang directed na graph. Okay, we write the edges based from the arrows na sa iyahang line. Then, 15 to 22. Then, 22 to 3. 3 to 10. And then, 10 to 16. Then, lastly, 16 to 3. Okay, so that is the last edge. So, unsa man nato pag-verify nga nasuwat na tanan, let's count the number of arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, let's try to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, right, we have 12 edges na. Okay, so this is the representation of our graph using the sets. Okay, so this is our directed graph. And then this is, above is the undirected graph. Okay, so let's continue. Now, how do we represent our graph in programming na siya? Okay, so we need to have data structures to represent this graph. Okay, so this one is adjacency matrix. Pasabot sa adjacency matrix, meaning magama taog 2D nga array of V by V vertices. Pasabot ana, depending on how many are your vertices, that's the number of rows and columns of your matrix. Now, in this example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, which are 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, we write them as rows and columns. So, naatay 0, 1, 2, 3 diha nga rows, naputay 0, 1, 2, 3 nga columns. Okay, understood? And now, we will write them as kanang based on the adjacent na mga vertices or nodes. So, example, we say, if adto sa iyang kaugalingon siya, like 0, 0, dapat 0 na. 1 ug 1, 1, 1 is 0. 2, 2 is 0, 3, 3 is 0. So, sa iyang kaugalingon, wala may ingana, no? Wala may nagloop nga kanang edge. So, that's why 0 na sila. Kani siya nga kanang diagonal. Ana. Okay? Okay, now, let's have the matrix filled out. So, atong i-trace siya ha. So, from 0 to 3 na ay connection. So, this is the 0 to 3. Kana siya. So, since this is an undirected graph, wala man siya arrow-arrow no nga na. Wala man siya nga na. So, we write them as katong iyahang equivalent nga binali. Like 0 to 3, then 3 to 0 is this. So, kani siya wrong na siya ha. This is 1 dapat na. 1 dapat ni siya. Hindi man mo erase. Sorry. Di ihapon. Sige lang. 1 dapat ni siya. Now, let's have 0 to 1. So, 0 to 1 is this. So, 1 na siya. And then, 1 to 0, this one. 1. Okay? So, ang 0 to 2, naa. So, mo nang naka-1 na. So, 2 to 0 pod, 1. So, pabali man dapat, no? Na ay 2 to 0, 0 to 2. Since this is undirected na graph. Now, let's have 1 to 2. So, 1 to 2. Okay. Naa. Then, 2 to 1, naapod. Okay. Then, 1 to 3, walay edge from 1 to 3. That's why this is 0. So, 3 to 1 is also 0 na. Okay. Now, we have 2 na. Ari na ta sa 2. So, 2 is connected with 1 and 0. So, mo ni siya kanina. Mo na ganina. But it is not connected to 3. That's why this is 0. And 3 to 2 is also 0. Okay, nahuman na nato tanan og fill out. So, this is the adjacency matrix of this graph. Kani siya. Okay. So, how about the adjacency matrix of directed na graph? Okay, so let's try this. This one. And we'll use an Excel na pod na file para mapakita nato ang adjacency matrix ani. Okay, I'll just erase the circle sa ha. Okay. And then Excel. Sige. So, we now have our Excel. So, since we have 8 ka-vertices, we write them as rows and columns. So, 8, 6, 15, 20, 22, 3, 10, and 16. So, we now have 8 ka mga rows, and we also write them as columns. Three, 10, 16. Sige. Dili man siya makuan. Okay. Sige. So, I will just write borders para maklaro. Okay. So, we now have 8 ka mga rows and columns. Ana siya. So, we write the adjacency matrix based from the arrows na pod. So, pareha ganina, if iyahang self, iyahang dungan, like 8 8s, it's 0. So, nakadiagonal ni mga 0. 0 na sila daan. Ato lang i-center. Okay. Okay. So, let's check from 8 to 6, mao lang ang naay kuan. So, we write this as 1. So, ang uban, wala na. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay? Then, from 6 to 20, that's the only one, ano? Naapay 15. 6 to 15. Naapabay lain. Wala na. So, ang uban, ani, 0 na. Okay? From 15 to 8, wala. So, ang naalang ani kay 15 to 6 and 15 to 22 and then 15 to 3. Okay, so ang uban wala na. For 20, so nanata diri sa 20. Natas 20, no? So, i-check na to asa may arrow nga gikan ni 20. So, 20 to 15. Okay, 20 to 15 only. Kay si 20 to 6, wala may arrow pa dong ni 6. So, mao lang na ang 1. Okay. And then sa 22, dili siya pwede ni 15. 0 siya ni 8. Og 6. 1 siya ni 50. 0 gyapon na siya ni 15. Adto lang siya modong ni 3. 1 na to si 3. Sa 20, wala. Og 10, og 16. So, for vertex 3 na punta, nanata sa vertex 3. So, we write the adjacent na mga nodes. So, only 15 and 10. Okay. Mao lang na ang adjacent. Okay. Then, sa 10, we have the adjacent nga 16. Og, maora. So, ang uban 0 na. Okay. So, ang 10 ug 3, dili sila adjacent. Why? Because, ang arrow, gikan ra ni 3, padung ni 10. Okay. So, lastly, we have 16. So, si 16, adto ra pod siya, modong ni 3. So, asa man ning 3? Na siya. So, 0 na ning uban. Okay, so that's the adjacency matrix of, 3 man na. 15 to 3 ha. It's 1. Okay. Okay. So, i-count down na to. Og 12 bagihapon ang kuan. Okay, the sum is 12. Okay, so 12 gihapon ang edges. So, mama ni atong gihap ganina no nga arrows. Okay. So, that's for the adjacency matrix for our directed na graph. Okay. Now, another way to represent our graph is using an adjacency list. So, sa adjacency list, we have here our graph. So, ato ni siyang i-convert ang vertices into an array. Kani sila. Now, each array or each index of the array will have their own linked list. So, the linked list will contain the vertices that are connected with the vertex. Okay, so example 0. Okay, ito sang i-reason tanan. So, example, arita ni 0. Ang connected ni 0 kay si 1, 2, and 3. That's why sa atong linked list si 1, 2, and 3. But we can also say nga mauna ni si 2, then si 1, si 3. So, depende na siya. Later on, we will know how to na-arrange them or depende na sa ato ang algorithm saon sila pagsud ning iyahang mga edges or iyahang mga connected nga vertices. Now, for vertex 1, the connected na edges niya are 2, 0. Mao lang. So, mao na ni silang duha. Okay? Then, for vertex 2, ang connected nila is kaning 0 and 1 only. So, mao na ni 0 and 1. Then, si 3, ang connected niya is only 0. Okay? So, unsa may nakalahi ni adjacency matrix and adjacency list. si matrix magama jud kano og columns and rows depending on the number of vertices. Bisag dili sila connected, dapat isuwat nimo tanan nga mga rows and columns in adjacency matrix based sa vertex. Kaning sa adjacency list, isuwat lang niya unsa ra ang edges for each vertex. Okay? So, now let's have an adjacency list na pod sa directed na graph. Ani. So, let's have an example here para sa isa ka directed na graph. So, isuwat na to gihapon ang mga vertices. And then, ang buhaton ana is isuwat nimo ang edges for each vertex. So, example, si 8 connected with 6. And then, wala na siya isumpay, no? Wala na may laing edge niya. Then, si 6 na pod connected with 20. Then, connected with 15. Na. Ato lang kuan. Okay. Then, si 15 connected with 6. Also, it's connected with 3. Then, connected po siya ni 22. Okay? Atong tanawon ha. Ito ipakita. Si 15, kani siya, 15, connected siya ni kani 6. Kaya na may arrow pa dong ni 6. Then, also with 3 and 22. Okay? Next is si 20 na pod. Now, for 20, ang connected lang niya is 15. Okay? Wala na ilain. Kay si 20 to 6, wala may arrow pa dong ni 6. Now, for 22, so 22, okay, let's have 22. Ang connected niya is only kaning 3. Okay? And then si 3 na pod, it is connected to 10. And also 15. Okay, no? Then, si 10, connected with 16. Wala na ilain. So, 16, connected with 3. Na. So, ang kani sila, diba, sa ato ang linked list kay, ang end ana, para may bawaan na to nga, end na siya nga data, we put null to its next. So, null na ang last. Pasabot ana, wala na isunod ana nga kuan. So, if we would like to check kung si 8 na abay, connected ba siya with 15, we will go to the index of 8. And then, i-check na to sugod sa kinaunhan kung naabay 15. So, sugod ta kinaunhan niya. So, pointed siya to 6. So, dili man 15 si 6. So, i-check na po niya ang next. Since null naman ang next. So, that's that time makaingon siya nga, oy, wala ko'y connection na, wala ko'y edge nga 15. Okay? If 6 na po'y pangutan-on, na ba ko'y edge nga 15. So, we go to 20. Then, we go to the next 15. So, equal naman sila. So, that's the time makaingon ka nga, naa siya'y edge to 15. Ang 6. Okay? Whereas, in our adjacency matrix, mayon ka, og naabay connection si 6, 15. Mudritsura na siya. 6 unya 15. Diba, sa index sa array, diritsura ka unsa nga index, we can access the data directly. Like, we can access array 1, 2, row 1, column 2. So, makuha ni mo dayon. Okay? Like this, makuha niya ang 6, 15 nga, 6 nga row, 15 nga column. So, maka-check dayon siya og existing ba na siya nga edge. So, if you have lesser data, unya, kanunay ka mag-check sa edges, like roads, no? Di man kanunay na ay madugang road or intersection. So, you can add lang og vertices. Kanang na ay rarely lang siya ang mag-add. Okay? And sa roads, usually ang mga tao mangita og naabay agianan from this road or from this intersection to the other ingana. So, mao ni siya applicable kayo ni siya og ingana nga cases. But if ang imuhang graph is pareha ng social networking sites nga daghang mga accounts ana. So, pwede nga kaning adjacency list imuhang gamiton. Okay? Kay magsige makag-add ana og vertices. Unya unsa na po'y edges niya. Okay? So, in different scenarios, we can choose asa ang mas efficient ang kanang magsige ba kag check sa kanang na ay edges or more on magsige kag add sa mga vertices. If magsige kag add og vertices, take note nga the time nga mag-add kag vertices, kung adjacency matrix ang imuhang implementation sa graph, you will need to create an array nga kanang naay number based on the number of vertices. So, kung imuhang vertices kay 1 million, so that's 1 million by 1 million nga 2D array. So, 1 million ka rows, 1 million pud ka columns. Even if gamay ra ang edges niya. Okay? So, mao na nga i-take ninyo into account. Okay. Now, for the graph operations, we will discuss this later on, like the graph traversal. So, our graph traversal, same as tree traversal, no? Napod siya lahi-lahi nga kana na ay ways to traverse a graph. Like the tree, natay gitawag og pre-order, in-order, and post-order. The graph traversal has also depth first search and breadth first search. Okay? So, to check if the element is present in the graph, unsa man ay nato pag-check, we check the vertices. Diba? Katong, diba naman tayo set of vertices. So, we can say nga, kani nga element is present in the graph. Okay? Then, to add elements or vertices, okay, to the graph, like vertex or edges, if mag-add kag vertex, magdugang kas imong array, no? So, diba sa array, kay di man ka pwede maka-add og kanang naay sana data in between, bali i-copy nimo ang kuan. So, you need to have the array list para murag mo pwede ma-expand ang imuhang array. Then, if edges, so mag-add ra ka og 1 sa asa to nga cell. Like this one. Like this one. If we add an edge sa atong directed graph like 16, 3 to 16, So, ato ra na siyang ikuan diri sa, ana, kung sa adjacency list, mag-add ra ta diri og 16. And then, ang next niya kay null. In here, sa ato ang adjacency matrix, 3 to 16. So, 3 to 16, gamon na siya as 1. Okay. So, asa may mas dali. Okay, dali ra mag-add og edges actually. Sa diri, sa matrix, or sa list. Okay? I know, dugay day diri sa list kay ngano mo sugod pa ba kas kinaunhan. Then next hangtod nga null ang iyang next, ang inig-abot niya sa null, pulihan niya og 16 ang null, then ang next sa 16 is null na. So mas dugay mag-add diri sa adjacency list kaysa matrix og vertex. Okay? No, vertex dili, edges. Mas dali sa adjacency matrix og mag-add kag edges, pero og mag-add kag vertices mas dali diri sa adjacency list compared sa matrix. Kay kintahay kani siya kay 8 by 8 ni siya, mag-add kag bag-ong vertex, magdugang ka diri 17. So dapat magama kag array nga 17 by 17 na pod. 9 by 9 na pod siya. Magama kag laing array. Okay? Kay di ba og mag-usab ka sa size sa imong array, magama kag laing object para sa array. Okay? So maing ana siya. Na. But if adjacency list, kung mag-add kag vertex, mag-add lang ka dihag 17 sa imong data. Okay? So, array gihapon ni siya. Okay, so, that's how we add element. Humana na siyang operation. Ang wala pa jud ani is this graph traversal. And then, finding the path from one vertex to another, parihara po ni siya aning graph traversal. Mangita tag path. Okay? So, I already demonstrated po ganina, no? But, kanang naay lahi-lahi nga ways on how to traverse. But, if we say nga mayon kag path, like this directed graph, we say 8 to 22. So, that's 8 to 16. 6. And then, to 15. And then, to 22. Pwede ging ana. Pwede ra pod og 8 to 6 to 20 to 15 to 22. Na. Asa kay mo abot siya sa 22. Okay, napagajoy mas taas nga paagi. Para anang 8 to 22, 8 to 6 to 15 to 3 to 10. Dita kadritso ni 6. Pwede ni 16. Pwede rag 3, gikan ni 3 para mas dool. From 3 to 22. Ana. Pwede pog moagi sa siya daan diri sa taas. Ana. Then 22. Okay? So, that's how we find a path from one vertex to another. But there's also an algorithm for that. And traversing also, there's breadth first search and depth first search. Okay? So, I think that's all for now. And that's, thank you for listening. And we'll continue on our next video.